a delivery from Black Opals Direct. I bought a beginner's pack of rough black opal. So let's have a look at what comes in the packaging. Damn, they go all out. So first off, there is this nice little Black Opals Direct plastic box with the opals in it. So yeah, like I said, this is 150 bucks, I think. 150 bucks, and we've got a small pouch. Small pouch of opals. So, I don't know, let's grab, this probably be the smallest one. And we're looking at, what's that? That's about 14, 15, just under 15 mils by about 8. So that's a little one. It's got a little bit of colour on it, the little one, and a little bit of black potch. That'll be fun to play with. And then the biggest one is, I don't know, what's that? That's like 3.5 centimeters by about 2.2. And yeah, the big one looks like, I mean, there won't be any colour in that, I don't think. There's some dark potch there, so I can have a bit of a play around with it. I mean, it's just a beginner's pack that really isn't meant to do any huge wonders for it. A nice small stone here that's got a bit of purple in it. Some real dark potch, and that's actually got a flash in it. That could actually be a pretty nice stone. Small piece of potch that's already like half cabochon like shaped for me, and that's actually got a flash of purple too that I don't think the camera's gonna pick up, but it's, well, maybe the camera does pick it up just there. So that could be a little bit of fun. This one's got some colour to it. I'm sure it's not actually solid, real dark potch black opal with colour bars that are really easy to see or anything like that. This is just a beginner's pack. The most impressive thing about this entire thing is a little scent bar that comes with it. It's almost a little bit too strong. As soon as I opened the pack I could smell it and I was wondering what was going on. It's like a perfume order, but yeah, lemon myrtle. So yeah, alright, I just put that to my nose and that's a bit strong. That's, yeah, I don't know, it's a bit nice. And then got a receipt on it, which I probably shouldn't show because it's got my details on it, with a little note from Melinda. Hi Roy, have fun with this, cheers, Melinda. So yeah, it's 185 carats of rough opal with video tutorials. Not 100% sure where the video tutorials are. I probably just log onto my account and they've got them online, I would guess. But I mean, this is Black Opal Direct, isn't it? So it's not like there's any shortage of videos. Hell, I can watch him live streaming half the time, so not bad. No, that's pretty good. And oh nice, so I don't have to order one of these. It came with a little body tone scale and brightness scale chart that I'm pretty sure he sells on his website. Yeah, Opal body tone and brightness scale. So you get that little $15 goodie in it as well. Yeah, I've got, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 rocks. Some with a bit of colour, some with a bit of dark potch that I can play with. And I mean, for what I paid, that's actually not too bad. I reckon I could probably get a stone out of this one. You could see the parcels and inspect each of his beginner parcels beforehand, so I did go through and have a good look at all of them and ended up picking this one. Mainly because of, yeah, some of these actually had pretty nice colour to them. I don't think all the beginners parcels are 100% equal in value, though they're sold for the same price, so if you really have a close look you can probably pick yourself a better one. But yeah, I'd like to work on all different types of opal before I get into the real good stuff. I want to at least play with each type with the tools that I've got at hand and make sure I can treat them well enough to get some good rocks out of. So this is a good start, and then yeah, if these go well, I'll order one of his bigger rough parcels and see how we go from there. But no, yeah, pretty excited for that. I mean, this one here just keeps flashing purple every time I shift around the container even slightly, so that's a huge amount of flash from that one. If it was on black potch, it would be a hell of a stone. But yeah, that's what comes in the packaging for a beginner's rough parcel, I guess. Pretty good. Now just to pick out a couple and start working on them with the rotary tool and see what I can get out of it. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for this one. I'm sure I'll be putting up a video of some of these when I get around to actually carving them up. Catch you in the next vid.